Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have, I think, my favorite pickup truck on the market today other than the Raptor. This is the 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. This is Toyota's competitor to the Colorado ZR2 and in other markets the Ford Ranger Raptor. 3.5 liter V6, little over 36,000 miles. Not bad at all. Bugs are brutal because it's about 90 degrees out. Automatic windows, of course. Give me some air conditioning. Yes, I know I'm a wimp. I'll hear it in the comments. But you know what? Right now it's 81. It's about 80% humidity. So you know what? Unless you're from Florida. Super sweet truck. Tons of storage. This is all your crawl control. So you have mountain terrain system. So that just kind of keeps you at a constant speed. And then you have crawl mode, which gets you out of anything. You also have your differential locker. Transfer gear shifting instructions over here. So I mean, they know that what this was meant for. You also have the ability to open and close the rear window. Your heated mirrors. This is your transfer case. So you guys get a nice little flashing light saying it's switching. But yeah, without further ado, let's go for a drive. Super sweet truck. Heated seats, of course. ECT power. I don't know, let's see what that does. Nice supple leather seats, really comfortable. Wow. Sounds excellent. The 3.5 is a lot of motor. And in case you're wondering, these slide. That's superb. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission with sport mode and manual shifting capability. It does act more of a gear limiter rather than a pure manual mode, meaning that I put it in 4th gear, but if I boot it, it will downshift to a different gear for optimal power. I love the aggressive design of this truck. It just looks so good. You do have a TRD exhaust tip, that's it. What I'm not sure of is if that provides more sound. It does sound really, really good. Brakes feel phenomenal. Good amount of stopping power. There's some nice red accents throughout the interior of the truck. On the shift knob's a good example, as well as the embroidered headrests. What I like about this truck is when you're just driving, it's super comfortable. It doesn't shout off-road truck at you when you don't want it to. So it's really great in that aspect. And handling, for a big heavy truck, it's very good. Not bad. Front 2 windows are automatic, whereas the rear 2 are power. It handles really, really well. You can also get this brand new, of course. I mean, this one you can't. Well, I mean, you could convert it if you think about it. You can also. This was also available with a manual transmission. Personally, that's the way I would go, but this 6-speed is a really, really good transmission. Downshifts perfectly quick. It's a really, really nice unit. Steering wheel, phenomenal. Very, very high quality materials. Horn sounds good. Overall, man, is this a cool truck. Super fun to drive, plenty of features, and really comfortable on the road. With that, I thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.